It's a great opportunity to meet other leaders on campus and just get involved with something on campus right out of the get-go, and get to meet other people who are also super involved like you, and just learn leadership styles that you might not otherwise learn.
There are a lot of great organizations on campus, but with the Fellows you know exactly what you're working towards, exactly what you're doing the minute you join it. It's very clear about its purpose and about its goals, and it's easy to get into that and work towards it with all your other members.
Being part of the Fellows really forces you to consider other ways that people practice leadership, because leadership doesn't have one definition or one way to practice it. Really, you are strengthening your empathy and your ability to understand others and how they can influence the world just like you can.
The Stockdale Fellows is a good complement to really everything that you'll do on campus. It's both been a complement to the work that I do in classrooms in terms of being able to express my opinion, being comfortable expressing my opinion in my classes, and we have pretty much all discussion-based classes here, so that's a really powerful skill. So it's a nice complement to every other thing that you want to be a part of, so that it in no way restricts you or is a terrible time commitment that holds you back from anything. It just enhances what you're already doing.